Hi everyone, welcome back to the solution. This is episode 16 of our Excel Beginner to Advanced series. In the last episode, we covered advanced formulas like if with multiple condition, index plus match, and if error. But today it is time for a game changer: dynamic arrays and XLOOKUP. Remember, the complete series playlist is linked in the descriptions and pin comment. If you have missed early episode, go back and watch them to build your knowledge step by step. Part 1: What are dynamic arrays? Traditional Excel formulas used to return and single value in one cell. What with dynamic arrays? One formula can spill results across multiple cells automatically. This means no more dragging formulas down, no more complex helper columns, instant results with cleaner formulas. Part 2: Dynamic array functions. Number 1: Unique functions. For extract unique values from a range. Example is equal to unique bracket open a2 colon 820 bracket close. Instantly get a unique list of a customer's products or regions. Number 2: Sort functions. For sorts data without changing the original. Example is equal to sort open bracket a2 colon 820 comma 1 comma 2 bracket close. Sort customer names alphabetically in one step. Number 3: Filter functions. For pulls specific data based on condition. Example is equal to filter open bracket a2 colon d20 comma c2 colon c20 is equal to east bracket close. Instantly filter only east region cells. Number 4: Sequence functions. For generates a sequence of numbers. Example is equal to sequence open bracket 10 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 bracket close. Creates numbers 1 to 10. Number 5: Rand array functions. For generates random numbers across multiple cells. These functions make Excel feel more like a database tool than just a spreadsheet. Part 3: XLOOKUP, the VLOOKUP killer. Now let's talk about XLOOKUP, the modern replacement for VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Why is XLOOKUP better? Can look left or right. VLOOKUP couldn't look left. No need to count column numbers like VLOOKUP. More flexible and powerful. Example is equal to XLOOKUP open bracket John comma a2 colon 820 comma v2 colon v20 comma not found. Instantly find John's sales without worrying about column numbers. Bonus: XLOOKUP also works for approximate match, two-way lookups, and even multiple condition. Part 4: Practical business example. Extract unique product list with unique functions for a drop down. Filter sales report Y region is equal to West. Using filter functions, quickly create a sorted employee list. Using sort functions and use XLOOKUP functions to fetch employee salary from a table with one clean formula. These are real world problems solved in seconds. Part 5: Pro tips. Always use dynamic arrays with structured reference for cleaner formulas. Combine filter plus sort for powerful one-line reports. Replace all old VLOOKUPs with XLOOKUP for flexibility and fewer errors. So in this episode we discovered the next generation's Excel functions: dynamic arrays like unique, sort and filter, and the incredible XLOOKUP that replaces old lookup formulas. In episode 17 we will dive into text and date functions in depth, cleaning, formatting, and manipulating data like a true Excel wizard. Don't forget, the full beginner to advanced playlist is in the descriptions and pin comment. If you loved this episode, hit like, subscribe to Data Solution, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss what's coming next. See you in episode 17.